In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin to your Wix website. Adding an admin can be crucial as it allows you to share the responsibilities of managing and updating your site. If you've been feeling overwhelmed with handling everything yourself, or if you're ready to expand your team, this process is going to be a game changer. Let's dive into how you can manage this easily with Wix. First, you'll want to navigate to your Wix account's homepage. Log into your account and you'll be directed to your dashboard. This is the centralized area where you can manage all aspects of your Wix site, from editing its design to handling roles and permissions. Finding your site's dashboard is the first step to giving someone else access. Once you're in the dashboard, locate the Site Actions drop-down menu. It's a little icon that you'll find next to your site's name. Clicking on it will reveal a variety of settings to help you manage your site effectively. It's essentially your main control hub for important site management functions. Now, within the Site Actions menu, you'll see an option that says Invite Collaborators. This selection is your gateway to bringing other people into your website management team. By clicking Invite Collaborators, you'll be directed to a new page where you can begin the invitation process. On this page, there's a field where you can type in the email address of the person you wish to invite. Use their email address carefully since this is a key step in ensuring your invitation reaches the right person. Taking a moment to double-check the email can save you misunderstood requests or time-consuming errors. Next, focus on the General Roles section. This is where you'll determine what kind of permissions this person will need. The range of roles available can vary depending on your site's specific needs or the level of access you're willing to provide. But since we're focusing on adding an admin, this particular option will allow the person to manage crucial aspects of your site. Go ahead and click on the Admin checkbox. By selecting this, you grant the new admin privileges to manage most of the aspects of your website, such as editing settings, managing content, and adding other collaborations. So it's only for someone you trust with full access. Finally, with the email and role selected, click the Send Invite button. The chosen collaborator will receive an email invitation to join your website as an admin. Confirm with them that they've received it, and voila! You've successfully added an admin to your WX website. That covers everything. Remember, by sharing admin responsibilities, you'll not only ease your workload but also bring in new perspectives to your website. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.